friends! My name is Rosie. Today we're going to play a fun weather quiz. Are you ready? Yay! Girl, look outside. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. What kind of weather is this? Yes! It's a sunny day. We wear sunglasses and play outside. Uh-oh! I see dark clouds and falling drops. What kind of weather is this? That's right. It's a rainy day. We use umbrellas and raincoats. Girl, brr, it's cold and white flakes are falling. What kind of weather is this? Yes, it's snowy. We wear warm clothes and build snowmen. Girl, whoa, the trees are moving and the wind is strong. What kind of weather is this? Girl, yes, it's a windy day. Hold on to your hats. Girl, great job, everyone. You are super smart. Now, look outside. What's the weather like today? Tell me in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.